Okay. Good morning, viewers, and welcome to the iLINOVA Pasture Poultry Research pen. This is located at a teaching and research farm, Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife. And what we have here, there are the Nigerian Fulani eco-type chickens, and there are actually two researches going on here at the moment. But starting from outside, the whole fence is big.
The first experiment here is that of modeling the growth curve of the Fulani eco-type chicken, and as it can be seen, there is a demarcation there to demarcate the study from the other parts. And
okay, so again we have here the farm attendant, Mr. Rufus.
we have Mr.
He has
Rufus.
been the one helping us take care of the birds and when we are not around. Also, we have a project student, a part 5 student actually from the Department of Animal Sciences.
Good.
He's also into his own project as well on rabbitry.
Rabbitry. Okay.
So once again, we have these birds here. The student taking care of these birds, her name is Awolowo, and like you said earlier, the research is on growth curve modeling for Fulani eco-type chicken. This is the second batch. The first batch we have them in the battery in the deep litter system, but then we are trying to look at how this performance will go also on the semi-intensive system. That's why we brought them here. So then you're welcome. And
this is a deep for biosecurity, and then this is how it works. Step on it before you come in. And also on this research, on this particular one, we have two undergraduate students dealing with helping with the characterization. And as you can see, we have the litter, we have the feeders under the shade, we have the drinker too, and we have 5 shades, and we have a total of about 175 chicken on this present study. So, and this is a landmass, all pasture, and as you can see, this is a demarcation. As my colleague rightly said, we have two different studies going on, and this serves as a demarcation. And I guess we are done with this side, or do you want to add any other thing?
Nothing.
Okay.
Okay. Right now we can go in to the part B of the Pasture Poultry unit.
Okay.
And here we are actually looking at modeling. Again, it's modeling for the persistency of egg lay and survival
analysis of the laying ends.
So basically what we have there are laying ends. They started laying already, and then their third week actually of laying. And we have them also. We have
the trap nest for
so
individual egg collection.
Because the idea is, when we talk about persistency of egg lay, the flock might be deceiving. So we need to know which hen is actually laying at the particular time. So how this works is, you have it open, then with a sort of trigger system inside the nest, and once the hen enters, it triggers it and it closes till it lays. We have here. Okay, this has the bird inside.
Yes.
And we want to show how we actually open and then pick out the hen, so as to see the tag number, because you have each hen tagged. So right now we are trying to open and then see if it will go. So just to be sure the hen is not going to escape, we try to open and then pick it up. Okay, so pick up the end, look at the tag number, then you pick the egg inside. There's no egg inside this. Actually there's no egg inside this. So unfortunately I guess it just, that's one of the things we are trying to mitigate. So it just enter without egg. So we release it, then look for another nest. This is another
again
one
we have to go through the process
of
opening.
Okay. Yeah, we have two ends inside, so it might be a little bit trickish. We then can actually, let's look for another nest, and we can be sure that there's no egg inside. So let's check this. Be sure. First, we have to be sure there's n inside.
No.
Okay, there's no n inside this. Sorry. Okay. This is another nest. There's no n inside this. Oh, that's not one. Oh, I don't know. Actually, there's no egg inside, so we can allow it to live. So sometimes these ends they enter without actually laying, and that's where it becomes. I'm just trying to figure out how to do that. But then, again, let's try and open this and see if we can actually see.
Obviously, we would have a lot of eggs in here, I'm sure.
Okay, this is empty, and
we have a lot of eggs in here. Sure, definitely.
Okay, we have two ends, and just have to find a way to pick one, and well, it escaped, but then
we have more than
okay, I picked one out, and but we couldn't really get the bird that laid it, so we are going to add it to the flock as one of the flocks. So
all right.
That's about that, about the
and it's important to also show our viewers the feed. So this is the feed, and the constituents being the maize as energy source. We have the soybean meal, the palm PKC. We have Breas dry grain, wheat offer, lysine, methionine, salt, the premix, and I think that's just about that. And as you can see, we can see the ends. There are two ends here feeding at the moment, and some under the shade being thirsty and having, yes, I've seen it. So there's no hen there.
We have one of the hen has actually escaped, but then if we look inside,
okay,
the zone, we see that we have a few eggs there inside the cage and inside the trap nest. So but then to pick this, since we have a lot of eggs, we just tilt it
to the other side. Okay, fantastic.
We try to remove, as you can see. Okay, so we have put the eggs there, and
okay.
Then we also have some. We have these here serving as like a second option for the birds, just in case there's. We have all the trap nets fixed.
I don't think we have any here.
But there's no egg here, so.
Okay, fantastic.
So that's all about the Pasture Poultry unit. But want like 2 or 3 things, because the idea is why fix birds on pasture. Apart from research aside, we also have a few benefits that we get from birds that are being raised on pasture, on free range. One is they have greater content of omega-3 fatty acids as compared to those that are just raised in the battery cage system. These omega-3 fatty acids, they have been gotten from green leaves of plants, and and because they have access to the plants, to the leaves and everything, they have high constituents of that. They also have high vitamin D content. They have been exposed to the sun, so they find a way to convert and synthesize vitamin D from the sun, and thereby transferring it to the eggs. We also have apart from vitamin D, they also have higher concentration of vitamin E as well. Also, they have the very good type of have access to it birds that are lively, because you can see the social system is going on. They have to run and about, and they are strong and healthy.
Healthy, very healthy
so
indeed.
You can be sure to get the best from them. So viewers, thank you for watching this. We promise to give you more updates
because this is a work in progress, and my name is Anjorin Olugbenga, and with me is my colleague
Boluwatife Adeni, and we are both. The project is being sponsored by iLINOVA, the Indigenous Livestock Innovations for Livestock Industry, being funded by the European Union in conjunction with the African Caribbean Pacific ACP.
Thank you very much, viewers. See you again.
Bye.